Hey guys, it's been a long day, but your girl is in Bangkok. This is the room. It's kind of small though, you know, but it's okay. It's okay. We're just here for 2 days, so I guess it's gonna work for now. But guys, we're here. My girl is still on her flight, so I'm gonna wait for her to get here. This is the bathroom, you know, some light, some, you know, not too crazy, not too bad. It's nice though. It's nice. I said I want to try fruits that I've never had before, like these. Yeah. What are those? Grapes? Are these grapes? Yeah. They're so thick. They're so big. Look at mango. Right? I want to try. Oh, I want to try all of them. Actually, I want to try mangoes from there. I actually want to try everything. It's like they have a whole aisle dedicated to these. It's actually really crazy. That's actually crazy. Different variety of Lays. Oh, guys, look at the street food we bought. I might have called it low maintenance food. Oh, we just got a bunch of like street food, guys. So whatever tastes good, is what we're gonna eat. Guys, we found Nigerian food though. Your girls were hungry. Literally, it's like Africans eating, Igbo people eating.
Yeah, Nigerians, we found Nigerian food.
Right.
Oh, this is the owner.
Oh yeah, that's the owner.
You guys are living here?
No, we're visiting from America. So we were craving African food so much.
Don't worry, they're not going to get disappointed.
Yeah. I know it smells really good actually.
It really does smell really good.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
We're really excited to try. Yeah, because girl, the food we had today wasn't.
Yeah, it wasn't giving the food we had, so wasn't it?
I know. We really found Nigerian food in this place. That's so crazy. I can't wait to try it. This is a guzle. So I got, oh my god, it tastes good. I'm so happy. And look at the portions, y'all. Guess how much this thing was? 300 Thai dollars. And that's literally like, I think $7. What? Houston could never. Honestly, let me turn on the lights. Because Houston could actually never. It's like ninja. And this is actually crazy. This is actually a lot of food. This is the mother's own. She got rice. I'm going to try her food too. First things first, a massage. The girlies are here to get a massage. Yeah. Your favorite travel duo is back.
My hair look.
We're going to rap to a zebra. Are you ready? We're at the airport. We just got some boba, something to drink and hold body right now. So, but guys, can you imagine? We had to pay $90 to go from Bangkok to Phuket, and mind you, this thing was supposed to be like less than $50. Like, it's crazy. It's so crazy. So we even checked like online and stuff. They said it's cheaper to buy it here, this and that. Guys, it's not cheaper to buy it here. You have to come really early. Like, last minute flights, expensive. The water is beautiful. Thank you so much. Yay. Thank you. Cheers. Our welcome drinks, guys. So cute. Guys, this is our room. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Mind upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Mind upon you, baby. You're 22. You're 22. Girl, I wanna handle. Girl, I wanna handle. You're 22.
We are here. We're gonna play with the elephants today. Yeah, they're not ready for us. Alright guys, so we're here. and we're about to play with the elephants. We're so excited, and we're gonna take some pictures. We just ordered some nice strong drinks, so we're gonna be drinking. And we're
a long ass day.
yeah, but we're here, and that's all that matters, and we're gonna have a good time.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yard.
I told you.
My mind is a warning. Pray to the one who lying. I've been wondering all day. Trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind is running. All these thoughts are troubling me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind wanting to be on that side. When it's time to leave my life, running tries to take me out. Tell you what
We have some carrots from Splash.
I really need China. I really need to free my mind. I really need my mind. I need to free my mind now. I really need China. I really need to free my mind.
Alright guys, we're about to have dinner at Cafe Del Mar. Hello, I drink. Excited. So good. My food tastes so good. It's like candy. Yeah. I don't know, I like it. Oh yeah, this is. I can't taste shit. I'm surprised you can taste alcohol. That's crazy. Honestly, guys, I don't know how she tastes the alcohol and everything because I can't taste any alcohol. It just tastes so good. It's literally sweet. Imagine can't drink. She can't hang. Yeah.
I have the high alcohol tolerance, but I can always taste when there's alcohol in something.
Like pina colada.
You can taste this one at all.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Most of the time you can't really taste alcohol.
I guess it's a good for you.
That's fine. I think it's spicy.
Maybe it's spicy.
Yeah, because there's spicy in it.
Like, I don't eat the same thing this one.
There's spicy in it actually. That's why. Alright, where's the food? We're ready to eat.
You know, right?
Girl, we are starving.
I think
Literally.
the last we had today was when we had on the plane.
Literally, and that was trash.
Yeah, and that was trash. And that was around like 9 a.m. today or 10 a.m. So,
Honestly,
this is currently, the time is currently,
whatever we had on the plane, guys,
8 o'clock.
it wasn't good. It wasn't good at all.
we've not had anything to eat in almost 12 hours.
Did not work out for me. Honestly.
But we look cute though.
You actually do look cute. Oh yeah, I had the burger. Yeah, I had that. Thank you. And he can put it here, right? We can move her. Thank you. Oh, that looks good.
Fancy.
fancy. Bye. It's me getting a burger, guys. I'm so American. But the lady was like, that's what's good, so I guess. What kind of four potato fries they give me? They counted the temperature of everything. How was it? You like it? So this is the salmon? Alright. Maybe. They did bring it out fast. Oh my gosh, so tasteless. But this fry is good.
Not to say they counted this.
I'm telling you, they counted my potato fries. They put 5 fries on my plate. Yo, they gave her like black rice. But I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. It's not bad. So it's not good. It's not bad, but it's not good. Basically. Hey guys, we're up awake. You know, we did the elephant stuff yesterday, but we're up and awake. We're thinking about ordering some room service because the girlies need some drink. It's like 5 a.m. guys. Let me get my phone. Let me show you guys. It is 5:40 and we are up. We posted our pictures. I need room service, which means I need me a drink. Oh, do I have to scan it? Oh, I have to scan it. Okay. Is it warm?
It's kind of warm.
Let's jump in. Guys, we're about to jump in though. To the left, to the left. Sarika. Yes. Oh, it's beautiful. It is. Oh, it's funny. Oh, it's a black girl's skirt. It's over in front. Oh, it's actually so cute, guys. We're here, guys. Period. It's kind of dark. You're my twin. Hi YouTube, so the girlies are on the way to the Yona Beach Club. We're so excited. Swim, drink, have fun, and party all day on that beach. So yeah, we're on the way. There's so much traffic, but hopefully we get there soon. It's currently, what time is it? It's currently 2:43, so yeah, we're excited. All right guys, we made it to the marine, so we're just waiting to go to the beach club. They pick you up in those little boats over there. Yeah, so we're just waiting. We already got our pass and everything we need and our drink pass, so we're excited.
She got in the bar.
Good morning, YouTube. Yeah. We woke up late and we missed breakfast. We should do stuff. But right now we're in the lounge eating some finger food. But anyways, guys, we're here at our hotel. They have this lounge and we're gonna rate some finger foods and rate it from 1 to 10. So what should we try first?
Let's try the mini tart.
Okay, so we're gonna try this fruit tart, whatever this is.
So pretty.
It actually is. Cheers. Cheers. Guys, this is how it looks. So cute. Yum, 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 yum.
I think it'd be bad if it's like after the food up a bit. I don't like that.
What is that inside? Custard.
I think it's custard. I'll give it like a 4 out of 10.
Yeah, like a 5 out of 10. I'm gonna say 6, but the custard is throwing me off all the way.
I'm not really crazy about it.
Yeah, honestly. Alright, next thing.
So won't you send me your location lights? Focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to confirm. Send me your location lights, right? The vibrations, I don't need nothing else but you.
We're gonna go out to Sugar nightclub and see the vibe there and see how it is. and have a good night and have a good time. I'm dressed up. We just called our Grab. We're about to head out, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye. The girlies are going out tonight. Guys, the girlies are back.
This girlie is not back.
The girlies are back from the club, guys. It was a night. It was a night for sure. We are tired. We haven't slept yet, and we're about to go eat. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we haven't eaten. We're about to go eat something.
It was a night.
It was a night.
It was a night.
We're tired.
Right?
It was a night. It was fun. You guys
I'm
will see
gonna
all the
say
clips.
this. If you're ever in Thailand and you're looking for vibes, go to Sugar. Sugar is like
Sugar nightclub.
that's
Lit.
That's
Afrobeat.
okay.
K-pop, everything you need. The vibes, honestly. Got the beautiful, beautiful, amazing views while we eat. Love it, love it, love it. It's officially our last day here in Thailand. It was a good trip. It was a good trip. Fun, relaxing. We got to do a lot of stuff. We're excited for the next one. Manny, when is our next trip? Where are we going next? Where are we going next? Where are we going next?
If you decide Orlando, if you don't,
Maybe Orlando. I'm kidding. Should we jump in or should we like take it easy, nice and slow?
you can jump in. Me, if I jump in, I will drown. So,
Manny, please. Please. It is not deep. And I'm here. I will save your life.
I will cheer you on from this place.
I will save your life.
Look crazy. So there's no point.
Oh my gosh, guys. Officially leaving. Bye. Imade is on her way. I'm on my way, but I'm currently at my stop at Hong Kong. I just took a shower in the lounge and freshened up and did my skincare routine. I'm about to go eat and wait for my flight. So I'll see you guys in Houston.